One of the busiest airports in the world is undergoing a transformation so ambitious that it promises to reshape the future of air travel, leaving behind outdated systems and inefficiencies for a vision of seamless connectivity and comfort. Imagine stepping into a space where cutting-edge architecture meets sustainable innovation, where bustling terminals are replaced by open, light-filled concourses, and where technology works effortlessly to make every journey smoother. From groundbreaking terminals to advanced passenger amenities, this redevelopment project isn't just about meeting the demands of today, but about anticipating the needs of tomorrow. Today, let's delve into America's $12 billion plan to rebuild Chicago O'Hare Airport. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like this video, as it's the best way to support this channel. Introducing O'Hare International Airport. Chicago O'Hare International Airport has long been a cornerstone of global air travel, serving as a vital hub for both domestic and international passengers. The airport was initially built during World War II as a manufacturing facility for Douglas aircraft. In 1949, it was converted into a commercial airport, gradually becoming one of the world's leading aviation hubs. For most of the late 20th century, O'Hare ranked as the world's busiest airport. Over the decades, O'Hare has undergone several expansions to accommodate increasing passenger traffic. But today, as one of the busiest airports in the United States, O'Hare faces challenges related to aging infrastructure, capacity constraints, and evolving passenger needs. Recognizing these challenges, the City of Chicago unveiled the ambitious O'Hare 21 Terminal Area Plan in 2018, a multi-phase redevelopment project that seeks to modernize and expand the airport. With a budget exceeding $12 billion, the project reimagines the airport's layout and functionality to meet 21st century demands. The redevelopment focuses on expanding terminal capacity, enhancing passenger amenities, improving sustainability, and streamlining connections between domestic and international flights. Key components of the redevelopment, one of the centerpiece projects of O'Hare 21, is the replacement of the aging Terminal 2 with the O'Hare Global Terminal. Designed by Studio ORD, the OGT will span 2.2 million square feet, making it one of the largest terminals in the world. Its design emphasizes natural light, spacious interiors, and sustainable building practices. The terminal will integrate domestic and international gates, reducing the need for passengers to switch terminals during layovers. The OGT will feature state-of-the-art baggage handling systems, streamlined security checkpoints, and enhanced retail and dining options. Additionally, it will include a spacious arrivals hall with improved customs processing to expedite passenger entry. Sustainability is a core focus of the project. The redevelopment incorporates eco-friendly design principles, including energy-efficient lighting, renewable energy systems, and sustainable construction materials. The OGT is designed to achieve LEED Gold certification, reflecting its commitment to environmental responsibility. In addition to the OGT, the redevelopment includes 2 new satellite concourses to accommodate increased flight operations. Satellite Concourse 1, designed by Skidmore, Owings & Merrill in collaboration with Ross Barney Architects and Juan Gabriel Moreno Architects, will add 19 new gates. These gates will be designed to handle various aircraft sizes, improving flexibility and efficiency. The concourse will also feature cutting-edge amenities, including expanded seating areas, charging stations, and upscale dining options. Meanwhile, the Elevate T3 initiative focuses on modernizing Terminal 3, which primarily serves domestic flights. This $300 million project includes consolidating security checkpoints, expanding passenger corridors, and enhancing baggage claim areas. The addition of 10,000 square feet of commercial and amenity spaces will improve the passenger experience, while restroom renovations and energy-efficient upgrades align with sustainability goals. To complement the terminal upgrades, the project includes enhancements to ground transportation infrastructure, These improvements involve expanding parking facilities, upgrading roadways, and improving public transit access. The airport transit system will be extended to connect terminals and parking areas more efficiently, reducing travel times for passengers. Project timeline and funding. The ohare 21 redevelopment project is divided into multiple phases to minimize disruptions to airport operations. Initially scheduled for completion by 2026, the timeline was extended to 2034 to accommodate changes in project scope and construction sequencing. Phase 1, which focuses on constructing Satellite Concourse 1, began in 2024. This phase is prioritized to quickly increase gate capacity and alleviate congestion. Phase 2 involves building the O'Hare Global Terminal, followed by the construction of Satellite Concourse 2. Simultaneously, upgrades to existing terminals and ground transportation infrastructure will proceed. The project is funded entirely through revenue from agreements with partner airlines, including American and United. In September 2024, the City of Chicago issued $1 billion in bonds to finance terminal redevelopment. This funding model ensures that taxpayers are not burdened by the costs of the project. The collaboration between the city and airlines underscores the shared commitment to modernizing the airport and maintaining its global competitive edge. Progress update. The redevelopment of O'Hare International Airport is well underway, with significant progress already achieved on key components of the project. As of now, the construction of Satellite Concourse 1, the first major milestone of the ohare 21 plan, is advancing steadily. This new concourse is on track to enhance the airport's capacity and operational flexibility. Construction teams are utilizing phased approaches to ensure that ongoing airport operations remain largely unaffected. Preparatory work for the O'Hare Global Terminal has also begun, including utility relocations, demolition of outdated structures, and early groundwork. This massive undertaking will eventually replace the aging Terminal 2 with a cutting-edge facility designed to streamline connections between domestic and international flights. Simultaneously, modernization projects for Terminal 3, such as the Elevate T3 initiative, are progressing. Upgrades to security checkpoints, baggage claim areas, and passenger corridors are also progressing. Soon, all of this will enhance the experience for millions of travelers. Challenges and criticisms. While the ohare 21 redevelopment project looks promising, its scale and ambition inevitably come with challenges and criticisms. Addressing these concerns is critical to ensuring the project's success and maintaining public and stakeholder confidence. One of the most significant challenges of the project is escalating costs. Initially estimated at $8.5 billion, the project's budget has since ballooned to over $12 billion. Such increases are common in large infrastructure projects, but still raise questions about financial management and cost control. Stakeholders, including airlines and the city, must navigate the delicate balance of maintaining quality while preventing further budget overruns. Critics worry that continued inflation in costs could jeopardize the project's scope or timeline. Originally planned for completion by 2026, the redevelopment's timeline has now been extended to 2034. Such delays can be attributed to various factors, including the complexity of construction, adjustments in project phasing, and logistical challenges of keeping the airport operational during redevelopment. America's airport expansion boom. While work on the redevelopment of Chicago O'Hare International Airport is progressing, a significant wave of airport expansions and modernization projects is currently underway in America to meet the growing demands of air travel and align with global standards. For example, Los Angeles International Airport is undergoing a $14 billion overhaul. Similarly, New York's LaGuardia Airport has recently completed a $4 billion transformation, turning it into a state-of-the-art hub with improved terminals and better connectivity. Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport is expanding with a $2 billion project that adds new gates and enhances cargo facilities, while Denver International Airport is in the midst of a $1.3 billion terminal modernization. These nationwide projects reflect a broader commitment to maintaining America's position as a global leader in aviation, ensuring its airports are prepared for the future of air travel. The redevelopment of Chicago O'Hare International Airport is a monumental undertaking that reflects the evolving needs of modern air travel. While challenges remain, the potential benefits of the project far outweigh the drawbacks, promising a brighter future for O'Hare and the Chicago region. What are your thoughts on this airport revamp? What's the most exciting feature you'd like to see in this airport in the future? Leave a reply in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.